I have moved away from my home and I miss my family support and I feel very lonely.
It's natural to feel lonely when you move away from a support system because we are used to being connected, we are used to being supported by our family and friends in a particular way. Like when we move out into the world to work, take a new job, a new city, we don't do it to get more support. We do it to get more exposure and experience, right? There is always a cost to new things. There is always a cost to new experiences. There's always a cost to newfound freedom, which is letting go of familiar things. So, isolation is one of the costs, or not having the same support system is one of the costs. So, the first thing is to actually realize that you moved out to expose yourself to know more things, and that's a wonderful thing to do. If you don't expose yourself, then you just remain stuck in some familiar well, and you never know how beautiful and what possibilities are out there for you. The second thing is that this is a great time to work with yourself because you don't have a system of support. You get lonely and you can turn inwards and use this loneliness, use this solitude to actually recognize what is going on with you. Start with some meditation, some understanding of your own mind, where it goes to, what are the things it holds on to, what is it craving for. There's never a better opportunity to learn about yourself except for the opportunity when you're alone and lonely. These are the best opportunities to get in touch with yourself. So use this loneliness or sense of isolation as an opportunity to actually know yourself better. And the third thing is, it will also help you realize that support system doesn't just come from familiar spaces. Support can sometimes come from completely new places. Some connection with some vendor locally that you are used to buying things from. Can come from so many spaces. So open yourself up to so much connection that is possible in your present without focusing that this is the kind of support or connection I need. I think it's a very valuable period of time in your life and you should use it well.